If you want to install Trello on mobile, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to get Trello installed on your phone, open it for the first time, and sign in or create an account so you can start organizing your work right away. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll make it easy to follow step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. It really helps the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next tutorial. All right, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You can do this by tapping the Play Store icon from your home screen or app drawer. Once it opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type in Trello. Make sure you spell it correctly so you find the official app from Atlassian. When the results appear, look for the Trello app. It should be the official version with the Trello name and logo. Tap on it to open the app page. On this screen, you'll see details about the app, screenshots, and the Install button. Now tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing Trello automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. While it's downloading, you can wait for the installation to complete. Once it's finished, the Install button will change and you'll be able to open the app directly. After installation is complete, tap Open to launch Trello for the first time. This will take you into the app where you can begin setting up your account. If you already have a Trello account, simply sign in using your email and password or continue with the login method you normally use. If you're new to Trello, you can create a new account right from the app by following the on-screen prompts. Once you're signed in, Trello will be ready to use on your mobile device. You can start creating boards, adding cards, managing projects, and organizing tasks wherever you are. That's one of the biggest advantages of installing Trello on mobile. It keeps your workflow with you at all times. Just to recap, the steps are very simple. Open Google Play Store, search for Trello, tap Install, open the app, and then sign in or create an account. And that's it. Trello is now installed on your phone and ready to go. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.